Have you ever wondered how or why things happen in the world around you? Maybe you've wondered how a single seed can grow into a full-grown plant. Or perhaps you've thought about how long it takes for a snowman to melt in the sun. Scientists explore questions like these by following a series of steps to collect information and test new ideas. This is called the scientific process. Let's take a walk through the scientific process and how you can use it to conduct a long-term scientific investigation. Every good investigation starts with a question to be answered. Scientists start by doing research about a question in order to learn more about the topic. Then they make a hypothesis, a guess about what the answer might be to the question. Scientists make this guess using all of the information they have learned from their research. Sometimes scientists' hypotheses are correct, but many times they're not. This is often how new discoveries are made. Once scientists have asked their question and have made a hypothesis about what they think will happen, the investigation begins. Scientists design an investigation to explore their question and test their hypothesis. Sometimes investigations are short and can be completed in one day or a few days, but long-term scientific investigations may take several weeks, months, and even years to complete. Whether an investigation is short or long-term, it's important for scientists to always follow a procedure or a set of ordered steps, so the experiment is done the same exact way every time. One of the most important and most exciting steps in the scientific process is collecting data. Data is information that's collected to be analyzed. Scientists organize their data in a variety of ways, often in a table or chart. Data can be recorded using numbers, often in the form of measurements made using tools such as rulers or scales. Data can also be recorded using words or pictures to describe what's being observed. It's very important for scientists to keep organized and accurate data. This allows them to compare information throughout the entire investigation, which is especially important if they're conducting investigations over long periods of time. The final step in the scientific process is to review and analyze the data. Scientists study their tables or charts and make observations about patterns in the data over time. They also revisit the beginning of the investigation and ask themselves if their hypothesis was right or wrong based on the data that they collected. With any luck, scientists find the answer to their original question after looking over the data. But sometimes an investigation will lead to new questions, and the process will begin all over again. As you can see, the scientific process is a series of steps to collect information and test new ideas. The process begins with a question and a hypothesis, a guess about what the answer might be to the question. Scientists always follow a procedure or a set of ordered steps, so the experiment is done the same exact way every time. After collecting data, information that is collected to be analyzed, the final step in the scientific process involves reviewing data and determining whether your hypothesis was right or wrong. What questions do you have that could be investigated using the scientific process?